Okay, third type of protocol is scheduling, means the time varying I am not discussing because it is only this thing whatever I have told you. Means variable interval means in multi-channel operation when the time is variable of CCH and SCHI, then that is called the variable interval MAC protocol. Okay. So what is scheduling based MAC protocol? I have already told you about this. In scheduling based MAC protocol, we change the position of messages in queue. Okay, these are two queues I have shown in this figure. First queue has some packets arranged in it. First packet is tree fallen on road. It has the information containing tree fallen on road. Second message has the information about a bridge broken ahead. Third is about a map download. Fourth is about the accident. Fifth is about the weather information. Okay. So whenever the channel is found free, should the tree fallen on road message sent ahead of the accident message? No, it should not be there because it is only a warning. Tree fallen on road is a warning, and accident is, it has already occurred. Okay, accident. So this should be given high priority in comparison to tree fallen on road. Okay. Or you can think differently as well, that the accident is already occurred, so we should avoid the next accident by transmitting the tree fallen on road first. So you can decide anything, no problem in that, but I am giving the priority to the accident message. So after scheduling, the accident message is scheduled first in the queue. Second message is bridge broken ahead. Third message is tree fallen on road. Fourth is weather information, and fifth one is map download. Okay, according to priority I have arranged it in the queue. All the message means accident message will be transmitted first, after that this message, then all these messages. So now you can debate on the priorities of the messages, but don't worry about it. In case of the when we are designing a policy on that level, then only we should discuss about it. When we are designing only the MAC protocol, then we will use the numbers only. Okay, so then priority number 1, priority number 2, like this. So don't worry about it. So this is, scheduling is also a very good area of research. Okay, you have a lot of scope in it. There are even if you are from CS background, you can design a separate data structure for it, because scheduling means frequent scheduling is there. When we design different when we receive any particular message, we have to reschedule the queue according to that priority. So that thing we can take care of.